Welcome to Public Works. You can have a long, successful career here. Here's what Mike, a maintenance worker, has to say about how he got started.
I applied for this position because I thought it was a great opportunity for me to show my abilities to work with the maintenance division and really show that, well, with hard work and dedication, you can really progress in your career here. I spent my first year really building my concrete foundation and being able to enter into flex staffing as soon as I got my commercial driver's license.
The maintenance worker position you are applying for has advancement opportunities through in-house flexible staffing. See how Mike takes advantage of that.
The opportunities I've taken is you really just got to be flexible and be able to go in and have that work hard, work safe mentality, and just work well with others and just show what you can do.
Public Works recognizes the importance of a good work-life balance for its employees.
The 10-hour schedule is amazing. It never gets old. We work Monday through Thursday, 7 to 5:30, and the day seems like they go by pretty quick. The harder you work, the quicker it goes by.
As a maintenance worker at Public Works, you'll have many opportunities to work with various crews throughout the county.
In maintenance, it really depends on what the job entails. At the bare minimum, it's going to be a two-man crew taking care of the necessaries that we need to take care of.
You can have a lasting impact in the communities throughout Contra Costa County.
I feel like I've made a lot of impact on the community. So it could be the smallest things, like if there's potholes in the middle of the road or anything like I can do to patch it up, just to make it a smooth transition for the community to get to work or wherever they have to go. Other things, garbage out in the middle of the road, clean it off, mudslides, just anything I can do to help out. And I really feel like it does something for me when I do that.
Do you have what it takes to have a successful career as a maintenance worker at Public Works? Here's some advice from Mike.
The advice I'd have for any new hires would be come here with a positive attitude, show up to work on time, and just be ready to work. Be ready to put those hip waders on and jump in the water and get a little muddy if we have to. I've been with the maintenance division going on 6 years now, and it seems like it's gone by so fast, and it just doesn't get old. I love it just as much as the first day I started.
If you have any questions or for more information, please visit us at this website.